Hello, good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to draw a new curve, that is involute, and involute can be drawn of any type of polygon, but today we are drawing involute of circle. Okay, for that I have a dimensions with me, that is draw an involute of circle 60 mm diameter. Okay, so as I have a diameter as 60, so I am taking a radius of 30 mm in my rounder and drawing one circle, and also from the center I am drawing two axes. I have drawn rather. Okay, now I am going to divide this circle into 12 parts. Okay, just take the radius distance in your rounder and mark the arcs on each, rather on both the sides of that axis particular. Okay, like this. And now from the last one. Okay, so this will divide your circle into 12 parts. So this could be, if this is your first part, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, now I am going to mark horizontally perimeter, or simply we can say circumference. For circle it is circumference. So how we are going to find it out? So that is by having a formula with us, that is pi d into pi d, that is pi into diameter, and we have here as 60. So pi into 60, and what is that value is, so here I have calci, so 60 pi will give you the value as 188.49. so almost it is 189. Okay, horizontally I am taking it from first point. Okay, so it should be parallel to your axis. Simply when you can drag your point up to this point and draw single line and then mark 189 over it. Okay, so that will be easy to draw. Okay, so this is your 189. So if your this is first point, then this could be your 1 dash, or simply 12. Okay, the 12th one, last one, or simply 1 dash, we can say both. Okay, now just divide this line into 12 equal parts. How will you divide? By just taking acute angle over there. Okay, so if this is your acute angle, okay, then just mark randomly by taking any random distance in your rounder and mark 12 points. 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12th is the last point. Okay, now just join this point, last point, to this point as a 12th one, and now just drag up to your point and draw parallel lines through it. Okay, so that will give you equal division of your exact line, 189 rather. Okay, as we can't divide the 189 into equal 12 parts, so that's why this is the another provision with a geometric construction. Okay, so this will give you 12 equal parts, the simplest way to divide a line. Okay, so this will be your 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and we can say 1 dash over here. Okay, now just draw from each and every division points a tangent to that points. Okay, how will you draw a tangent? Yes, through protractor, of course. Okay, so how to draw that I'll show you. Just a minute. So this is your protector, right? Just join those division points through center, okay, so that you can get a line to refer from where exactly to draw a tangent. Okay, like this, right? See, as you know that I am going to draw a tangent to this point. Just I am referring this point to 90 and line to 90. Okay, and through that point just mark this 180 line. Okay, or else another method, consider this as a base. Refer this line and mark 90 point. Okay, that will show you the same point. Same way I am going to mark each and every point, and then I will join those. Once you practice this, that will be easy method to draw. Rather, involute is the simplest curve to draw. After marking these 12 points, I am going to draw extend those tangents from the point, from that particular point. Okay. Okay, so how to join those? Like this point to this point. Okay, just extend like this up to the maximum line you can extend. Okay, now this